Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of chicken strips with garlic mayonnaise. This chicken strips is prepared in KFC style. Without further delay, let's get started. Take 400 grams of boneless chicken. This is chicken breast. Cut it into thin strips like this. Add in salt as needed, 2 teaspoons of paprika powder and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix everything nicely. You can use Kashmiri chili powder if you do not have paprika powder. Marinate the chicken strips for 30 minutes. Next, I am going to prepare the second marinade. In a mixing bowl, take 2 cups of thick buttermilk. Add 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. In goes 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In goes 1 beaten egg. Mix in all the ingredients nicely so that it combines well. The chicken pieces are marinated nicely for 30 minutes. Add in the chicken strips into the buttermilk mix. Give it a mix so that everything combines well. Cover it and marinate it for 1 hour. You can place it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Next, I am going to prepare a flour mix. Take 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour in a bowl. Add in 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and salt as needed. Mix in all the ingredients nicely. The flour mix is ready now. The chicken strips are marinated for 1 hour. Coat the chicken strips with the flour mix. You have to coat each chicken strips individually nicely with the flour mix. The chicken strips are coated well with the flour mix. Heat enough sunflower oil in a kadai. Once oil is hot, add in the chicken strips. Fry the chicken pieces at medium flame. It wouldn't take much time to fry since we have taken boneless chicken. Cook it until the strips turns golden brown color. The chicken strips are fried perfectly and remove it from the oil. Chicken strips will be dry if you overcook it, so make sure not to overcook it. Chicken strips is ready now. Next, I am going to prepare garlic mayonnaise. These are the ingredients required to prepare the mayonnaise. Take 3 garlic cloves in a blender. Blend it coarsely. Add in 1 egg, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 3/4 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Blend all the ingredients nicely. I have taken half a cup of sunflower oil. Add in the sunflower oil little by little and beat well. Add in the oil little by little and continue beating at low speed. Beat the mayonnaise until it gets a thick paste. Homemade garlic mayonnaise is ready now. Delicious chicken strips in KFC style and garlic mayonnaise is ready to be served now. Do try this recipe and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.